In business, your WordPress site is often the public face of your brand. A hack or outage can cost not only money, but also reputation. That is why choosing a reliable security solution is essential. Sucuri and Wordfence are two popular options that many site owners trust. Each takes a different approach to protecting your site, and understanding those differences can help you choose what fits your needs best. Sucuri is known for being a cloud-based security platform. It acts as a reverse proxy, meaning traffic to your site is filtered through its firewall before it even reaches your hosting server. That gives you protection against attacks like DDoS, brute force login attempts, or known web application vulnerabilities. Because much of the scanning and firewall processing happens off your server, the load on your hosting environment is reduced. Many of its premium plans also include content delivery network services and global caching, which can help with load times and performance for visitors from different regions. Premium users also get unlimited malware cleanup and reputation monitoring, including blacklist removal and alerting about suspicious changes or hack indicators. On the other hand, Wordfence is built as a plugin that runs directly on the WordPress server. It provides an endpoint firewall, malware scanner, and threat defense feed all inside your WordPress dashboard. Because it operates on your own server, it can inspect core files, themes, plugins, and database-related code in real time. It also offers features like login security, two-factor authentication, CAPTCHA, rate limiting, IP blocking or country blocking, and deep file integrity scanning by comparing files against WordPress core or plugin repository versions. The premium version gives real-time updates for firewall rules and malware signature updates, rather than having a delay. It also offers cleaning tools to repair infected files automatically. Both Sucuri and Wordfence are top choices for securing WordPress business sites. Sucuri shines with external firewall protection, performance advantages, and managed cleanup. Wordfence excels in deep on-site scanning, control, and direct integration into your WordPress environment. The best choice depends on whether you value hands-off protection or granular control. Either can keep your site safe. The decision is a matter of your workflow, technical comfort, and the resources you want to dedicate to security.